Need computer training for a group or office? Contact us today to get a free demo of our training at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.
There are numerous filters that you can apply to create different artistic effects in your images. You can access the filters either through the Filter command within the menu bar or within the Effects panel. To open the Effects panel, select Window and then Effects from the menu bar. Then click the Filters button at the top of the panel to display filters below in the panel. You can use the drop-down that appears within the Effects panel to select different filter groups. You can then hover your mouse over the filters to view their names and descriptions. Double-click on one of the filters to apply the filter directly or through a dialog box that appears. Some of the commands, when double-clicked, will launch the filter gallery where you can change their settings if desired. You can also select a filter from the filter gallery by choosing Filter from the menu bar and then choosing the Filter Gallery command. You can adjust your view of the image by using the controls that appear at the bottom of the pane. The Filter Gallery allows you to apply some of the available effects independently or in layered combinations. You can click on one of the names of the effect groups, which appear here as folders within the middle pane, to reveal the individual filter effects within each category. You can then click on one of the filters in that category to view the settings for it in the far right pane. You can then use the sliders, color boxes, and drop-downs that appear in the far right pane to change the settings for the selected effect. Note that at the bottom of the right pane, there is the name of the filter which appears in a layer. You can add another layer to multiply the effects by clicking the New Effect Layer button at the bottom of the right pane. This will add another layer that you can then click to select. You can click on another filter effect to apply it in combination with the selected layer. Just as with regular layers, you can click and drag the layers above or below other layer effects to change the overall effect produced. You can also delete an effect layer by clicking it to select it, and then clicking the Delete Effect Layer button that appears at the bottom of the rightmost pane. When you are finished applying effects, which you can preview in the left pane, click the OK button to apply the effects to the selected layer. Note that the effects are not actually added as layers that appear within the Layers panel, but rather they are applied to the selected layer's contents directly. Many of the other filter effects that you can apply are not able to be applied through the filter gallery. You actually have many more effects that you can set by using the Filter command within the menu bar. Make sure that you have the correct layer selected in the Layers panel before you can apply filter effects to it. If you make a mistake when you apply a filter, just remember that you can use the History panel to reverse your mistakes.
Like what you see? Get a free demo of our training for groups of 5 or more at www.teachucomp.com enterprise licensing.